stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Alright guys, welcome back to Venture Brothers. In this episode we check out the Holland Track. The Holland Track is in WA, runs from about Kalgoorlie.
From Hyden. It goes both ways though.
Yeah, Hyden to Kalgoorlie. It's an interior track.
Cool
guy. And I've actually just heard, Steve-O, that they're extending the track. They're actually going to extend the track all the way down to the south coast.
Oh.
And that's opening up, I think, this week.
Oh, is that the one you tagged me on Facebook?
Yeah, probably.
Oh, okay. Yeah, nice. Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it actually runs through... You're actually going to see some of the footage of the interior. Yep. But I guess in the future we're going to be catching it all the way down...
To the coast.
To the coast. And that's probably more of our sort of area of expertise. But nonetheless, Holland Track was awesome.
For sure.
We did start off day one with a ridiculously early start. I'm not sure it is with these boys being in the military or the mines or something. But my nice sleep in starting at 8 a.m. got pushed forward to 6 a.m, then 5 a.m, and then before I knew it, we were leaving at 4 o'clock in the bloody morning. And that was the start of my Holland experience.
All Sleeping Beauty over here. We had to leave at 4, given that Arj, shout out to Arj, Adrian, who's got the Ford Ranger, so we had to meet him at some McDonald's on the way, and then to meet all the other boys, Pat, Batsy and Peter,
and
Cam as well, who were in Hyden. So we had to meet them, which is a 3-hour track. So it was, we had to be there by 8, but we ended up getting there by 9.
Yeah, we were okay.
Which is alright. We started the day early.
Yeah, the day started early, but before we knew it, it got bloody hot up there. I guess we were up there, during springtime, wintertime, down with us on the coast.
Yeah.
Were we 40 degrees?
It was, 40 degrees. Yeah, probably 10, 11 it was 40, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I was not ready for
that. You almost passed out, didn't you?
Mate, I did not handle that too well. There's always one day at the start of summer that just gets me, wrecks me. And that was that day. Now guys, you've just seen the little intro to the Holland Track. The next segment is actually a bit more of the sort of technical stuff. We were expecting the track to be a little bit wetter, but it's just been dry that whole week, so there wasn't that much water around. It was dry as hell. It ended up being pretty gorgeous, beautiful, but the holes were all pretty dry. So so check it out, and
we got some nice wildflowers as well.
Yeah, we did too.
Yeah,
wildflower season.
Yes,
that's right.
It was.
Yeah. What's up, brother?
What's up? Just made it to Hyden. Fuel up, everyone's fueling up, get our jerry can up, and then I start the track probably about 20 k's down. Yeah, should be good.
Yes! And we're off. Flies getting out of control. Time to get to the next place. What's going to be good?
The crossing. I think one mate's going to go first.
And if you
Not
get
bad.
stuck, so be it, eh?
Well, we got a couple of winches as well, a couple of winches, so we can get the boys out.
Easy. How bad is it?
Clean it under the stink up.
Jet it out before it gets in.
Yeah.
Yeah, winch all good. Covered in mud and clay. That thing has got no highway tires.
Yeah, it's not traction, eh?
Nah, no traction at all.
Oh, what a lovely spot, eh, Steve?
Okay, awesome. So we're about like quarter the Holland Track. Trying to get a sticker on every single post that we see. It doesn't have to be on one of those posts, like probably at Goldfields or anything like that, but it's probably one of those ones. Yes! That'll do. That'll do. Woo! Right.
Yeah, it was awesome first day. We also weren't prepared for the flies that just ambushed us.
Mate, like being out bush, like when I was working on the mines last year, that's why I ended up getting this fly net. I knew I had to bring it with us. And by 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, they were like out hunting.
Yeah, it was pretty common for all of a sudden one bloke to end up throwing up, coughing his guts up because they're just smashing these flies. We weren't hungry. We had a constant snack coming into our mouths. So.
If you ever swallowed flies, it's not too good. It's pretty annoying, yeah.
We also had a bit of a small world experience up there, didn't we? In the middle of nowhere.
Yeah,
we ended up coming across a friend's brother.
Yeah, we did. Cam, who's Matlin's brother. So Matlin's, I used to live in Matlin, and he's a good guy as well. Good bloke. He's got a Ranger. He's trying to get it kitted out soon.
Yeah, we're going to go on a trip with him soon as well.
Yeah. So and he ended up. So we did go to the beach once last summer, and but he remembered me somehow and ended up calling Matlin saying that that mate of yours, the VBS guy, who's he? And yeah, he ended up like coming back to me and be like, mate, I've seen you before.
Yeah.
I'm Matlin's brother. I'm like,
Just one bloke in our convoy ended up being a relation of one of our mates.
yeah.
So in the middle of nowhere, it's crazy. Yeah.
Yeah, it shows like how it brings people together. You know,
Yeah,
when
the full-
all the outings, the full drive,
The full drive community. Yeah.
the camping.
We're all one family.
Yeah, exactly. And yeah, well, that was Holland Track Part 1, and hope you've liked it. If you did, just subscribe, like, comment, let us know what you think about it, and there's going to be Part 2 coming up soon.
You. Later.
Laters. How was that? How was that?
Better than the last one.
Good, eh?
Get a whoop of that.
Thanks, eh? Yeah, I went through that as well. Like, so, lads, how are we? G'day, Pete.
Hey, mate.
How are you?
Thank you.
Going on? Well, we had to get someone out of the dry mud.
Right, mate.
Dry-
Easy. Oh, spoke too soon.
and he's told me I'm allowed to kick all his enemies.
I did a good step. Anyone else can get it.
Thanks for recognition.
Cement mark the bridge here.